Ternyata masa hidup ayam golden pheasant untuk sebagian dari sepertiga ayam tersebut tidak akan bertahan 6-10 minggu. Hanya 2-3 yang akan mencapai 3 tahun. Di alam liar, umur mereka bisa 5 atau 6 tahun. Untuk di pangkaran ayam tersebut bisa bertahan sekitar 15 tahun, tentu dengan perawatan dan pakan yang sangat baik.
Nature's most flamboyant masterpiece. Meet the golden pheasant, a bird that wears its art on its sleeve, or rather its feathers. Every inch is a canvas of color, from the intricate patterns of its cape to the molten red of its breast. It's a living flame, a burst of sunshine captured in feathers, standing boldly against the forest floor. And then, the grand finale, a tale of such elegance and length. It's like nature's own decorative tapestry, true symbol of natural elegance. The golden pheasant, a fleeting vision of wild, untamed beauty.